Hello guys, this is Mr. J, also known as Mr. Rage! And today I'm playing some more Mad Max for you guys. So in the last game, we finished up Chum Bucket's part of the territory, and we ended up losing it. So now we've taken shelter in Jeet's stronghold. Now the thing with these guys, give me a sec, would you? So yeah, these guys don't, these guys don't offer you help for free.
It's not much of a car. You trust that little scrap monkey?
For now, not much of a stronghold.
Careful now. Don't want to insult a man in his own home. Listen, we used to rule this stretch, and now the warlord controls all and brings only death.
Warlord?
Scrotus, Scabrous. Killed, I hear. Sawed him up in the head. But his terror outlives him.
A proposition then. I'll weaken their grip on these lands. You give us the use of your garage and tools.
Boom! If I thought you could, you'd have a deal. And then what?
Gastown.
Oh, one peep at the jaw will change your mind.
What's the jaw?
It's a gate you gotta pass to reach Gastown. Look for it yourself. It's in Dead Baron's Pass.
Right before I do we have a deal?
Yeah. You weaken the influence of that dead warlord, and we'll have a deal. You should get your little black finger working on your car. Needs to be beefed up if you're gonna make good on our deal.
Stop jumping, something. Sorry, my controller's acting up. But anyway. Stop doing that. Okay, never mind. Stop doing that! Sorry guys, my controller's really janky right now.
You build me that sniper rifle, then we head out. We have work to do.
Praise be! Well, just you find me the parts, and I'll get cracking. Stupid.
I have it. I have it, Saint. Just help me find the requisite parts and some kind of a trigger mechanism.
Oh, you want a trigger, driver? Think we got some old gun junk in the cage. Take a look. Maybe your scrap monkey can make something of it. We don't have anyone who can figure that stuff out anyway. Plus, no ammo to talk of.
Thanks, Jeet. Where is it? Here it is.
This should work.
Whenever you have something, Saint, I stand ready to do the good work.
Anyway.
Hey, don't come any closer.
Don't tell me what to do. Anyway, the thing with...
You get to Gastown sometime. Be sure to spot the twinkly outcryer. He's a sight.
Will do. Sniper rifle, okay.
Long shot installed and ready for action. I'd say we have gained us an upper hand.
Slide over. Time to put the sniper rifle to the test.
I'm confident it will serve our purposes without fail.
Sorry, guys. For some reason, I can't freaking do this with a controller. Like, it's not...
Better than I thought.
So I'm just gonna go back to using the
My
keyboard.
fingers were controlled by otherworldly forces.
Baron Pass.
Mr. John!
Only the recon.
It's one of the perks of living at home.
Our sacred work is hindered by the presence of Lord Scrotus. We should, nay, we must lower his threat around here.
Anyway, sorry guys, my controller's being a pain in the ass, so I'm just gonna get back to using keyboard controls.
All the riches of these lands are mine. All of Gastown is mine!
Anyway, so this is what I was saying when I was saying that this takes place in tandem with Fury Road. Scabrous Scrotus, son of Immortan Joe, that's the villain from Fury Road, brother to Rictus Erectus, is a feared, ruthless warlord and anointed protector of Gastown. From his early youth, Scrotus was a matchless warrior. His speed, muscle, and fearlessness made him the perfect killing machine. In training, he killed his first combatant at the age of 7. He continued his conquests, slaying enemies, sparring partners, and instructors alike. In his early teens, he honed his skills on death runs from Gastown to Bullet Farm, and back again. Scrotus thrives in the wasteland, relishing in the constant war, squashing those who have carved out existences of their own, and stripping their resources away. Shunning the superficial world of the Citadel Court, he grew his war boy army into a force unmatched in the wasteland. During the Wasteland Wars, Scrotus defeated Dr. Dementus. With Gastown back under the rule of Morton Joe, Scrotus was appointed the protector of Gastown and put in charge of all operations and armies there. Scrotus's brutal methods and cruelty are legendary, as is his penchant for morbid theatrics, such as adorning his belt with severed human heads and displaying a threatening, razor-sharp, phallic codpiece. His army of war boys are fiercely loyal and will follow his every whim, no matter how extreme. All around Gastown, Scrotus's reign of terror is on full display through his turf-making scarecrows, as well as his many encampments that support Gastown and feed his army with fresh warriors. Back to it. Sorry about that, guys.
Why should they live? These heathen! We should cleanse these camps, should we not?
Okay.
More doom flies our way. There! It's beating heart reveal! Stop it! You'll tear that tire right off!
Kill this fucking guy. This is why you need to carry shotgun shells, guys. So you can knock numbnuts like them off.
We are boosted into glory!
Just some distance, and then bang.
Lie low here.
Yes, gladly. It is my sacred place.
Hello. hard body. Ooh, that hurt. You know, you know what? Why not?
Might be able to roll up closer in this.
Let's bring this baby back to Jeet's faction. I always like these hard bodies. I think they're supposed to be reminiscent of a Nissan hard body, but at least the name. But in terms of how they look different. Oh yeah, that's the thing. You can actually collect enemy vehicles in this game. I don't think you get a reward for doing so, but it's...
Keep your hands where I can see him, Roach. If Top didn't let you inside, I'd corpse you.
Yeah, I love you too, pal. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Those things are really annoying. Mines. They throw mortars at you. There it is. Might work. Where the heck is it?
Woo! No more long hurls left for him!
Crap. Another sniper. Where is he?
Now comes Lord Scrota's horde!
The nice thing about it is that there's only the fires left. As long as you don't drive directly through it. Don't worry. As long as we don't get close to the fires, we'll be good. Oh yeah, they do fireworks too. Where's that fuel? Oh, there it is. See? Nothing to it. Harpoon restricted. Oh yeah, sometimes they'll have these gates either be armored, they'll be spiked to where you can't ram them, so you gotta hit them with the harpoon. And other times they'll be armored, so you gotta just ram straight in. Let's make sure we're getting enough distance. Boom.
We've come through!
You tend to the car, chum. I got it. You can also stab these guys. Ow. Oh yeah, you can also pick up melee weapons. Yeah, they actually, where's that thing?
So, you need someone who can make a lot of noise and beat the drum, huh?
There are those who dwell on the crust of the lands, like you and me, and then there are those who dwell beneath. They worship darkness and drink the blood of men.
All war boys to them!
Yeah, and I'm Pope Francis.
All war boys to them!
They also help you break the stuff faster.
War boys left.
Hello.
Just you and
That's gonna come in handy.
Hey, you need a war crier? I do a real good rallying. Been at it for years.
I'll deal with you in a sec.
So, this is where it ends. At the hands of a crazy-eyed road warrior spattered in the blood of my brethren.
You know, I better tap her off. Or get her topped off. That's the phrase. Probably better to take a full one, but I think we'll be okay. I probably should have thrown some of those gas cans. Oh well. There's a lot of them around here. Oh yeah, this is why. There you go. Let me check these. Cleaver dog. Here you want to pass through the blade, or do you want a blade to pass through you? Let me check these again. Let's see, Buster Boys. Scrotus drives his hammer, Scrotus guides these hands, and skulls are cracked in his name. Jabber Boys. Nice. Lacking strength, they offer 4 numbers. Some Buster Boys show such prowess with blunt weapons, they are advanced in rank enough to become Cleaver Dogs. Cleaver Dogs are often chosen to guard resources and valuable goods. They wield 2-handed weapons and are known to hunt in numbers. So yeah, there is... Hello. Down you go. Where's the other guys? Hello. Will, don't go inside. They killed Dad. They took all supplies. Run. Sandra. Oh. Nice of them to put this here. Good stuff. We got our fury all built up. Let's get to it.
We got company!
damn it. Ah, stinking oil. Ow! I'm gonna try to shut up that war fire. Ow. Shut up.
Hurry up, you piss bug! His land is up! In glory!
There we go.
Got him!
Now I'm mad! More! Damn it, not again. Let me see if I can lead these guys out of here.
Come here! Open you up and bleed you dry! He took a beating from us already!
Let me see if I can get him up. Boom!
Let's get the boys here! Bloody moves!
Finally. Storm approaching. Seek shelter. Red Lord of Jeet's territory. Okay, drive the Dead Baron's Pass. The upgrades unlocked in the garage. Anyway, guys, one thing I do need to mention about the storms in this game, like it's a weather hazard. It's that you can it's that while it is a lot more dangerous, you got stuff flying everywhere, you know, flying at you, your car. you also have a chance to get more scrap, like a lot more scrap. So it's a high risk, high gain kind of thing. We're not gonna bother with that now. Where's the exit? Ah, damn it. Oh, damn it. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay.
Aaron's pass.
The jaw?
Only to recon.
Damn it, screw this. We're going.
We've thrown wings! Shooter! Let's slinger!
That's the risk of it. 100 scrap just from that. Ow. 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 Bunch of scrap from these things. Yeah, these storms are quite a blast, huh? Yeah. Thanks, Joe. Thanks, man.
By all that is holy! Hurrah!
Anyway, Griffin was over there, but it's only really worth going to him unless if you have a lot of tokens to spend. Anyway, this is Dead Baron's Pass. Where is it? Lead Slinger.
Long shots up ahead!
I see them. I can take him out with a sniper rifle.
The what?
The long shot.
No, I have a few rounds. Make them count.
Thanks, Sean. Right, you gotta hold it. Oh, I forgot to reload.
Scratch one.
You're a wizard. The long shot is your wand.
Shh. I have to concentrate.
Oh, yes, of course, your wizardship. My seals are sealed.
Where the heck is he? Oh, there he is.
Oh, the long shot sings.
Anything else? Nope. Anybody? Nothing I can see. You're a funny guy, Joe. Dead Baron's Pass.
Keep your head down. I'm gonna take a look.
Yes, but please, hurry back. This is very, very bad terrain. Risky.
Hear that? It's that guy! The Raggedy Man!
Bucklers, oh boy, those guys. I remember them. As the name suggests.
And I'll wring that brain back from your
Ow! Yeah, they do that too. Hurt like hell to punch that thing with a bare fist.
bloody moves!
Yeah, you see how easy a weapon like that makes, especially in Fury mode. Whew. Okay, there it is. Hello. Zelda, this is your granddad Hank. I'm sad you never got to meet him. We had some fun stories to tell. Or he had some fun stories to tell. I don't know half of what Dad got up to in the 60s, but I know it was very hush-hush. He was working for the government up until 4 years ago. Or 5 years. No, 4. When he disappeared on a job out of the Arabic countries. So sad. These wars are killing us all.
Wars, famine, disease, murder. Killed us all.
Yeah, fun fact about the original Mad Max movies. From the first movie on, it was meant to... The apocalypse that came out of it was originally... it was meant to be more of an economic apocalypse, instead of one caused by nuclear warfare. But by the time of the second movie, they retconned it to say that it was caused by nukes. Especially in these days, you hear about all these wars going on, and you think, oh, is Putin gonna nuke us? Is Kim Jong-un gonna nuke us? A lot of times it could easily be caused by economics just as much as it could easily be caused by economics. I mean, you hear about these friggin' these so-called Antifa freaks, taking up autonomous zones. Then you've got these corrupt governors who are letting them. It's like we're headed for our own apocalypse. If stuff like this keeps going on.
That must be it. We're not ready to take that on. Not without some preparation.
Yeah, definitely not. Got some armor here. Oof. Got some heavies protecting it too. Heavy duty stuff to take that thing out. I mean, sure, economics alone ain't gonna cause nearly as much death as immediate death, rather.
And a grill to shield the nose. The hunchback can make it happen if I bring him the parts.
Sniper rounds, nice. I tell you, stuff like these are what leads to war. Like, not just like dissent or some random guy in Austria getting his head blown off. Or wait, was it Austria? Archduke Ferdinand, was he Austrian? Maybe. No, he was German, wasn't he? Whatever. I probably shouldn't say that like that, but you get the idea. That, and of course, all these political divisions that keep going on. It's like, I mean, you can blame one side or the other if you want, but the fact remains that so long as one side doesn't want you to exist, because there's at least one side that wants to get rid of you, then there's gonna be wars regardless. Especially when one side can control things like the media or even the government and things like that. I won't say, and of course, you know, it's worth mentioning that both sides can be guilty of certain things as well. You know, misuse of the military, corruption, misuse of funds. I'm not saying it's one side or the other. That's just the government as a whole lately, in this day and age. Where the heck is the exit? Allied camps that voice scrap. Oh yeah, so that's the thing. With the camps you take over, you'll occasionally get shipments of scrap delivered or put in your inventory automatically. So the more camps you take over, the more scrap you get. Nice little feature. What's down here? Oh, hey, there's some scrap. I'm not gonna bother looking for that last one. I spent enough time up here. How the heck do I get down from here? Oh, there it is.
Your plans for this car, building it up. You gotta do it before we can get past the jaw.
These black fingers are ready to dance, Saint. Oh, yeah. And I know just the steps, too. It's called the Jack, a wasteland classic. We pull it off and our chances of survival grow tenfold.
Then the harpoon.
Soon. But she needs the basics first, huh? The car's weak.
Agreed.
Let's return to Jeets first, huh? Then I'll show you the plans.
Sounds great. Into madness. I need to get past the jaw to get to Gastown. That would be suicide unless we get the magnum opus in better shape. By the way, I think oh yeah, you can actually fast travel in this game. I forgot.
Can't you glimmer of the jaw? You think you still want to go up against that?
Just you wait, Chief.
Here it is, Saint. My plans for the Jack. Oh, she'll be perfect. Speed, power, tenacious durability. Take a look-see.
Sure. Archangels such as the Jack are special magnum opus configurations revered by Chum. To get started, enter the Archangel screen. Selecting an Archangel will reveal the upgrades needed. Green indicates upgrades that are owned, while red indicates upgrades that are not. Select Jack and review the requirements of the needed parts. Oh boy. Car body, shovel face. I guess I should have went with the shovel face then. Spy the sacred body called the shovel face. Retrieve body, Colossus region. Improve overall tire tread by 5%. Okay. Deep threadies. Baby exhaust. Tots. Doggone it. Hey, some knuckle dusters. Wrist armor. Oh, you can also change the way Max looks in this game. Yeah, I kind of prefer the original. But wait, let's focus on the car first. Oh, got it. Story Mission Wasteland Classic. Okay. Bantam V6. Let's see, baby exhaust. Wasteland Classic. Okay. And there's a bunch of different archangels you can get.
Driver! I got a proposition.
This ought to be good.
I wish I had no use for the likes of you, but as you can see, we are fading quick here.
What are you getting at?
Help us establish some necessities, and you'll benefit greatly. I'll see to it personally.
I'll take a look. But no promises.
Fine, driver. Look around. The essential utilities we are lacking are plain to see.
Yeah, so this is the thing. You can upgrade the strongholds, like I was saying before.
Tate? I've been wondering.
Give me a minute, chum.
Olivia, I don't have time for you right now.
Give me a minute, chum bucket. I'm thinking.
You see the eyes? They're the eyes of a killer.
Let's see. Deliver scrap. What is this?
I've been thinking about your amigo, the Dinky-Dee.
Give me a minute, chum. I'm thinking of something else right now. Oh, large oil storage unit capable of fueling the magnum opus. No
You
cost.
worthless skank sacks! Can't think.
There it is.
Damn racket in my ears.
Yeah. So the
Do
thing.
you recall our three-legged companion?
Yeah. The thing about this, I better get the chum. Anyway, the thing about this stuff is that you have to physically go out and grab each part. Some of the, and they all require multiple parts. Most of them do.
You got a situation.
Recall our companion, Saint? The Dinky-Dee? Do you think he made it out of the inferno that was once my tabernacle?
Nah. Burnt to a crisp. Or food for somebody.
No, I think he made it out, yeah? He's got a survival instinct, that little one, huh? Yeah, I think he would have sought shelter inside my old buggy.
The buggy and the dog would have their uses.
Return to the wreckage of Chum's hideout and bring the dog and buggy back to Jeet's stronghold. All right then.
I want to know what we're up against in this region.
Huh? Tactics? Very clever. Woo-hoo. The hotter balloons, the big pointers, floating all around like they're used by Scrotus boys to scope and spy.
Balloons.
Yes, yes. Scrotus boys got them all around to spot their prey.
Show me one.
First things first. ain't getting away from me. Now this thing here is called a scrapulence. The thing about them is that they can is that if you deliver them, you get a bunch of scrap. This baby's carrying about 500 right now.
Not a step closer, sand shuffler! Raise it with the boss!
You're in, huh?
I don't feel
I'm
safe.
getting impatient here.
Less unsafe.
Shut up, Jeet. See? There's Gas Town. I think. Region revealed. Balefire Flatland. G Stronghold. There are a few fortresses left in the wasteland. They say immense forces power and bureaucratic leaders. These places of refuge often attract the few remaining wanderers still alive in the world. They are not friendly locations, but if the deal is right, an agreement can be made that's mutually beneficial to both parties. Scarecrow, Sniper, Oil Transfer Camp. Let's see, oil transfer camp is centrally located, taking on proof from oil pump, gas count, convoys. Similar to oil pump camps, transfer camps can be challenging to infiltrate without scouting first. Keep an eye out for secret entrances and intel that others willing to share their information. Destroy transfer tanks in the camp to lower explosives threat the area. Okay. Scarecrow. Another Scarecrow. Oil pump camp. That's all of it.
Rookie! Oh, Rookie! Is that a show? Sweet! Are you in? No more, boy!
Someone take him out!
Anyway, Jeet's guys will come and pick up this baby, and yeah. That was pretty easy, actually. Aside from having to drive all the way out here, that wasn't too bad. You know, there's somebody up here. And I'm gonna try to get... I don't think I can just waltz up there. Hello?
Around here, there's only one lad brawny enough to take us serious. Stump Grinder. Nasty doggy. Now I know for a flamin' fact that he just hates flickering flames and fire. Be a good way to deal him some suffering.
That's right. There's the top dog. Great watch. A large camp built beneath a massive statue. It is defended by the top dog, Stump Grinder. Intel says he's weak against fire. Additional intel, heavy perimeter defense, hidden entrance in the structure, hidden loot behind the top dog area. So anyway, we're gonna see that in the next part. But where's the car? Here it is.
Sir, convoy of epic proportions.
Yeah, I know, Chum.
We have all the makings, all the pieces. We stand ready to finish the jack now. The final touch, we can and must lay a dirt gaseous stronghold.
I think we've been at this for long enough, guys.
Stinks when people shortchange me and mine. When you gonna do what you said?
I'm doing it, old man. Relax. But anyway.
Scary around here now.
But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it off here. Next part, we're gonna take care of some more things around Jeet's stronghold. We're gonna get the dog and buggy back, and then we're gonna challenge Stump Grinder, and then really grind him up into dust. Until then, I'm Mr. J, also known as Mr. Rage. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, peace out, and God bless.